Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain a topic quadrilateral. So you might have studied in the smaller classes quadrilateral. So can you say a few examples of quadrilateral? Yeah, there are a lot of examples in your real life, day-to-day life. Even if you look at this classroom, you can see whiteboard, window frame, desk, bench. There are a lot of examples. So then, what is quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is a closed polygon. It's a closed polygon having four sides. That's the important things. The quadrilateral have four sides and it is a closed figure. It's a closed polygon having four sides is called a quadrilateral. So let me discuss a few more example of quadrilateral. So we have a few geometric figure. The first one is parallelogram. Parallelogram. So you can see this shapes parallelogram. So what is a parallelogram? Parallelogram is a quadrilateral and it has few properties. Few properties for the parallelogram. So the main property is opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal and opposite sides are equal and the diagonals bisect each other. Adjacent angles are supplementary. So these all are the properties of parallelogram. And let me discuss one more, that is rectangle. Rectangle also a quadrilateral. So what are the properties of a rectangle? Rectangle, if you consider with the parallelogram and the rectangle, a rectangle opposite sides are equal, opposite angles are equal, and the diagonal bisect each other, and we can see 490 degrees in a rectangle. So that's the properties of rectangle. Then one more quadrilateral, that is square. Square, we have almost all these properties like opposite angles are equal, opposite sides are equal, diagonal bisect each other, and moreover diagonals are equal. Diagonals are equal in square, and all four angles are 90 degree, and all sides are equal. These all are the speciality, the properties of square. Then one more quadrilateral, if you see, that is rhombus. Yes. So what are the difference? What are the difference between square and rhombus? Because if you look at the properties of square and rhombus, the square all sides are equal, rhombus all sides are equal. Then what are the main difference? Rhombus, if you look at the speciality of rhombus, the opposite sides are equal, opposite angles are equal, diagonal bisect each other, and diagonal make 90 degree. It is perpendicular bisector. That means the diagonal make 90 degree at the center of a rhombus. So that is the main difference between square and rhombus. Diagonal perpendicular bisector. But if you look at square properties, the diagonals are equal, it bisect each other, but it's not perpendicular. So that is the main difference between rhombus and square. And if you see one more is there, trapezium. You might have heard about trapezium. Trapezium as one of the quadrilateral. It's a pair of opposite sides are parallel and adjacent angles are supplementary. That's the specialty of a trapezium. So these all are the important quadrilateral which we are using in the day-to-day life. So please just observe the properties, and students, if you have any difficulties, you can ask me at any point of time. Okay, so let me conclude these topics and I will come with another topic soon.